Exploring Nature, Part 1. As we see here is a pile of sandbags on two wooden crates. Now if we go a little further, we'll see a hole. All this was caused by a hurricane. I don't remember what the hurricane name. I'm just gonna call it Hurricane. Well, I'll figure out a name after. I mean, if you see this, our pond. My pond used to be super big. See? Just go up. It used to go up there. About probably 20 feet. I'm not sure. Probably wrong. We used to have a lot of bass. Ooh. See, we have a lot of holes down here. And this was not caused by a sinkhole, trust me. Okay. Hurricane that caused this, I'm just gonna give him a makeup name. His makeup name would be called Hurricane Jacob. Look at this. And Hurricane Jacob is not a nice person. Sorry about that finger. Now if we zoom in, see that's the thing to put all the, I'm not sure what it's called. If people are on the comments or whoever watches this, you know what those are, just comment. And that is my house. I live in a trailer, yes. Gotta watch out because there's spiders here. Ain't no shit. Just ran into a spider web. I think there was no spider on it. Hopefully I don't get bit by a radioactive spider. That should be kind of nice from Spider-Man. Yeah, I recently mowed here over here. I think I have about 4 acres of land. Exploring of nature. Ooh. I see a demon over there. See, it's that animal. It's rolling the rocks. It thinks it's better than me. Guess what? It's not. I'm a human. I'm not a cat. I have knowledge. Even though I'm probably failing in 2 of my grades. I don't know. I think I have like C's. I think that's failing. It's not failing, but I should do better in my classes. YouTube ain't actually working out for me right now. Exploring my yard. So I can find any more animals. Shit. How about that? Web. You saw that web. I don't want to get bit by any spiders. Got bit on by my hand a little ago, maybe a month ago. I think my hand got so swelled up. Oh. As you see, those wild animals in their natural habitat. As we slowly approach up to those animals. Hopefully, the animals won't kill us or run away. It doesn't notice me yet. It noticed me. If you get noticed at, what you do is you run in the direction it's at and scare it off. Which I didn't run when I had it. Because man, the animal is crazy. It will kill you in just one hit. This animal is this animal is blind. I mean, he's not blind, but you gotta be watch out for this animal. Might try to grab your. Might try to kill you, but he ain't that smart. You see another animal right there. He doesn't notice me yet. I'm gonna go over there. If we see the animal, it's natural habitat. Oh no, he spotted me. Now what you gotta do, you run at the animal. I'm not gonna like that one. Yeah, run at me. You've been running that far. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Bye-bye, natural evil animal. He works for he works for the commanders of the darkness arrivals. I'm totally not making that up. And this will be my truck. And it is stick shift, so if you don't know how to drive stick shift, I'll show you. Here are jumper cavers. It's not gonna crank right now, but I don't have the keys with me right now. But I will be getting this truck since I'll be getting a job. Hopefully I'll be getting a job at Chick-fil-A. Those are the jumper cables. Not that clean right now, but what you do, did you see right there? That's the clutch, and you have to have the clutch in to start the car. And what I would do is I will always keep your foot on the brake. And there's 6 gears. That's neutral, as you see, and that's first gear. Right there's first gear. If you go all the way down, that's second gear. Go all the way up that way, that's third gear. If you go all the way down, that's fourth gear. Then fifth gear will be all the way to the right and up, which will be drive. You get to reverse, it's all the way down. It's hard to get to the reverse sometimes. That's all the gears. Now, if you want to crank it, you need the key, but I don't have the key on me right now. But the battery needs to be recharged. So, and most manual trucks have e-brakes on them. That's to stop the when you park anywhere, you always have to have the e-brake on. Okay, so if you don't, your car's gonna roll. And it ain't gonna roll. It wasn't a roll because it's in neutral, but to get off the e-brake, release that, and the e-brake's off. And to start the truck, you have to have it in neutral. And say if it's like that, then it's not in neutral. But if you can wiggle it, that's not neutral. But if you can put it like that, that's neutral. The thing that sucks is that this car has no heat. So in winter, if I'm still working at Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna have to be wearing a jacket like always. But the cold doesn't really never bother me. My truck is a Ford Ranger extra large. I think that's what the LET stands for. I don't know what the year is, but and so oh yeah, and this is the antifreeze coolant. Don't let your cats. If you have cats by, don't let your cats lick. Don't even let them lick it. It will kill your cats. Well, the reason why it's just out there sitting like that because it doesn't matter. It ain't gonna hurt them being in a bottle like that. Because it can easily kill your cats. The thing that sucks is our air conditioner broke, and we have a standing air condition, and it doesn't keep the house cool that much. Here's all the cars. Those are manuals. We have another car that normally sits like right there. It's a Ford SUV, and it's in the shop right now because the part for it got broken, and it's gonna cost over $1,000,000. We took it to someone else, a mechanic that we know, and it was gonna cost $400 because we're broke right now. And yeah, he's telling me to end the video. Well, that's it. Bye.